If you're moving from city services to a home with septic and well, the unknowns can feel big. You don't need to become an engineer, you just need a calm plan that covers records, testing, red flags, timeline, and simple maintenance. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann, and I help buyers across New York's Hudson Valley region. I'll show you what to ask for, what to test, how to read common signals, and how to write dates that match reality so your contract doesn't get stressed by lab timing. Start with records. Ask for permits or approvals for the septic system and well, plus any pump receipts, repair invoices, and the age of major components like the tank, leach fields, pump, pressure tank, and treatment equipment. You're building a short history so you know what's normal and what needs attention. Plan the tests early. Schedule a septic inspection with a qualified provider. You'll want to complete this around the same time as your home inspection to keep the process moving forward in a timely manner. Read common red flags. For septic, slow drains, gurgling, frequent pumping, or wet patches downslope can signal issues. For wells, low flow, pressure fluctuations, or staining all deserve attention. None of these signs ends a deal by themselves, but they tell you where to ask for clarity. Understand treatment and maintenance in simple terms. Many rural homes have filters or softeners. Ask when media or filters were last changed and what the schedule looks like. A 2-line note on the calendar can prevent both water quality surprises and emergency calls later. Respect the timeline. Water testing can add days, and septic vendor schedules fill fast during busy seasons. Put your inspection, water sample, and septic windows on a single line with your mortgage and appraisal dates. Some counties require the seller to complete the water testing. Knowing this ahead of time can save time. If lab results will come back after your inspection window, talk with your team about how to handle that in writing. Real dates keep stress low. Budget for the normal. Plan for periodic septic pumping, basic filter changes, and keeping surface water away from fields through grading and gutters. For wells, basic maintenance on the pressure tank and replacing filters as recommended goes a long way. 2 pitfalls. Don't set inspection dates that ignore lab timing. Don't assume clear water means clear records. Do the records and the tests. Simple steps now protect you later. If you want a clean way to line up inspections, documents, and dates, download the Buyer Roadmap 7 Steps and use it as your contract organizer. The link is below.